welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new here, if you've been around a while, welcome back. So I'm coming on here today because we had a snowstorm last night. And say hi. The snow is everywhere. It's really deep. So right now, me and the girls are finna go outside and shovel through some of the snow. So I'm gonna...
Or jumping it.
Maybe. I'm gonna turn the camera on and show you what it's looking like. So
it's really deep.
So this is my porch. I haven't went out here yet. I just opened up my back door. But the plow truck doesn't make it any better because what they do is they'll come down the street and they'll just plow you in. So right now, you can't see that much until I go outside, but I'm gonna show you just how deep it is that I have to get through, how deep the snow is for me to get to the front.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above.
You gotta get some clothes on. Don't push, don't fall in that snow because we're gonna be out here for a second. Let me open my trunk. Really? It's cold out here. I'm looking for the shovel. I can't find the other shovel. It's up under this. I done moved these bikes. I can't find it. It's up under here somewhere. Looking for a carriage outside. It's somewhere up under here. I done took my gloves off. Oh, I feel something. Hold on. What happened? What she did? Drop you off? Girl, it's too cold for that. Huh? It fell off. I gotta look for the other shovel. Guys, it is so cold out here. I'm trying to trek through the snow and find the mystery shovel. Oh, you found it? Oh, good. Huh? Yep. I couldn't find it. I'm over here. You see me sifting through the snow, girl. So Jordan found the other shovel. So now, look at what I was doing though. This big old pile. Then I came over here. I got some bikes out the snow. But then I found this. I'm like, okay, maybe this is the shovel. But that wasn't the shovel. And then I got 4 rakes out of there. So why y'all getting on the trampoline? You supposed to be helping me. Harry, don't eat the snow. What are you trying to do? Don't get in there, Jordan. Come on, because it's getting cold. If you do all that, you're not going to have time to build a snowman. Because you're going to get cold. Keep falling in the snow. These girls being so silly. It's cold out here, but I got to get this driveway shoveled out so that I can get out of here in the morning. I wish somebody would come through here with a plow truck, and I don't know anybody with a plow truck. My windows is frozen. Froze. So I'm letting my car run for a minute. So I'm finna start shoveling. It's a winter storm. I knew it was coming, but what we gonna do? So let me start shoveling. Get back.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the back, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your ear.
This is so hard. I'm tired, out of breath already. Well, I'm trying to use good body mechanics because this snow is kind of bad for your heart. Jordan, go down there, stand down there and see how tall it is. Let me see how tall the snow come up to you.
Yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the back, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I just got finished doing the driveway, finishing the driveway, me and my son and my daughter. So I'm finna get ready to go in the house. It is so freaking freezing out here. Look at my hands from the gloves. It's so dirty from the gloves. So yeah, I'm finna get ready to go in here. I just put my wipers up for tonight. I do gotta get out of here in the morning. The end of the driveway was the killer because it was so deep from the plow truck, you know, plowing us in. You want to be on video? So I'm gonna get ready to go in the house. You're probably gonna make some hot chocolate. My son's gonna do the end of the front of the driveway. So I'm gonna show you the driveway. We just got finished